Good morning students. I am making this video for class 10th. Today we will start our first poem. The name of the poem is Dust of Snow. This poem was written by Robert Frost, who was an optimistic and marvelous American poet in the kingdom of English poetry. The features which are often present in his poems are simple rhyme scheme, everyday language, and multiple symbolic meanings. The poem Dust of Snow by Robert Frost is a simple and short poem, yet with a deeper and profound meaning. This short poem throws light upon the extraordinary healing power of nature and tiny things. Now I'll explain you the text of the poem.
The name of the poem is Dust of Snow. This poem has been divided into two stanzas. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Shook means shake, to shake something. Dust of snow means particles of snow. Hemlock tree, a poisonous plant. Now I will tell you the explanation of first stanza. The poet recounts a small incident that changed his mood. He was feeling depressed and hopeless. He was standing under a hemlock tree. A crow sitting on it shook the tree, and as a result, snowflakes fell on the poet. This changed the thought process of the poet. He spent the rest of the day happily. Let's start with second stanza now. Has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Rued, R-U-E-D, means showing anger or regret. Now I will tell you the explanation of second stanza. When the snowflakes fell on the poet, his mood got changed from the state of sadness to happiness. He felt refreshed. Earlier he had been ruining the day. Now he started taking an interest in spending it without any tension. Now he is freely enjoying life. This small incident saved the rest of the day from being wasted in disappointment. Thank you. Have a nice day.